Welcome to Wholesale Supplies Plus. I wanted to come and let you know that June 1st coupons are now live and in your account. I'm just going to take about 10 minutes of your time and highlight all the terrific savings that you can get in June. So if you've gone over to Wholesale Supplies Plus or handmadestudio.com, wholesalesupplisplus.com or handmadestudio.com, they're sister sites, and we've combined the rewards. So if you shop in our retail store or you shop online, you can now get the benefits merged together, and we did all that for you. Last night at midnight, we were real busy loading up your coupon vault with all the new savings. And we listened to what you said, and this month we have all coupons are on fragrances. So whether you're bronze, silver, gold, or platinum, you have tons of fragrance coupons right there in your coupon vault. In addition, we have some really cool monthly specials that I wanted to make sure you know about. One is this color set is 25% off. They're all our most popular summer selling micas. So take a look at that. You can get them as a set at 25% off with the coupon code. So go to the coupon page and grab the code, and that's that. We also have the sea buckthorn, I always want to say buckhorn, extract, which has been highly requested because it's been so popular in social media lately. And we have this on sale with the coupon at 25% off. So go to that coupon page either at Wholesale Supplies Plus or Handmade Studio, and you can get the coupon code for that. And then we know how you guys love VitaBurst beads, but they're expensive. I get it, they're expensive for us too. And we've put all of those 25% off. And if you've never used VitaBurst beads, they're super cool. You may have seen them in retail stores like Bath and Body Works or even Dove or some of the other stores. And they suspend in a liquid soap, and then when you use them, they pop and they release whatever we say is inside. It might be vitamin E. In this case, the black ones contain activated charcoal. So they're a great way to use activated charcoal in your product without that huge mess all over your making area. And it's nice because the person using your product doesn't get a huge charcoal mess all over their sink or shower. So with that coupon, all of the VitaBurst beads are also 25% off. And again, this is just for the month of June. So go to your coupon vault and you'll see all of those. The fragrance of the month is one of my favorites, and I was so excited. I'll set it here so you guys can see it. I was so excited when the marketing team came up with it. It is sugared papaya and hibiscus. And it's nice because I don't like a straight floral. Like, I'm not the flower shop kind of girl, and I like the sweet. And this is such a well-balanced aroma. It's a little bit sweet, it's a little bit fruity, and you get a very slight tropical hibiscus right at the end. So this is great. When I smell it, I smell yellows and reds, not really green, some pink, and even maybe some purples, light purples, like pastel purples. So this, I think, is going to be a super big seller this summer. I know initially the sales have been very strong for it. And you can get this 25% off with the coupon all month. Let's see. We also have, if you are silver, you have 50% off a 4-ounce bottle. If you're gold, you have 50% off any 8-ounce bottle. And if you're platinum, you also get 50% off of any 16-ounce bottle in addition to the 2-ounce bottles. So the more business you do, either with Wholesale Supplies Plus or Handmade Studio, the more coupons you get every month. And we deposit those on the first day of every month. So I went ahead and had them pull some of the good sellers for summer because I get a lot of your emails that say, hey, I want something new. I want to mix it up. What's on trend? What's hot? And so we went through and we looked through our sales and we talked to customers and we came up with 3 that maybe you have or maybe you haven't tried. The first one is Vanilla Birch. And I have to thank all of you, and you know who it is, for spreading the word on this because our sales literally tripled on Vanilla Birch because of the big social media push you guys did. And we didn't request it. It's just that good of a fragrance. So when I smell this, I smell vanilla, a little bit of wood, and it's almost a musk like a patchouli or a sandalwood musk. It's got that little kind of sexy base note without being too manly. It can be unisex. I definitely can see that. I could see it in a men's line, and I could see it in a women's line. Like, I would like this in my guest bathroom. Another big one so far for spring and going into summer is the pomegranate fruit and pineapple. And just to let you know, the camera might not be following me because I move way too fast. They're always laughing at me, like, stay in one spot. So anyway, this is passion fruit and pineapple, and this is yummy. I smell a little bit. I smell a lot of pineapple, but as you know, pineapple will lift off on your products. And then I smell passion fruit. It's almost like a non-sugary fruit punch. Smells a little bit like a blend. I'm smelling red with yellow. This is nice if you don't want anything super, super sweet, but it doesn't have that harsh bite like a cranberry. So this is on trend for colors for sure. Oh, and I love this last one. It is cucumber and fresh mint. If you guys have watched me for any period of time, you know cucumber is my favorite. And this just smells wonderful. I could just smell this all day long. This is definitely a unisex scent. It's a cucumber that's a little bit watery, but I'm smelling the green afternote, which may be a little bit of I'm smelling more spearmint than peppermint. This to me is screaming light pastel green, dark, like a dark hunter green, kind of blended in soap or a scrub or something like that. I could see it in a men's shaving soap. This smells awesome. Those are all our coupons this month. I hope you guys like them. The one thing I did want to let you know is Handmade Magazine. This is the cover. It is running a week late, and I have to apologize. The reason is we are in the process of publishing 2 books. We published them and sent them to the printer. One is an A to Z on melt and pour soap making. I put my 20 years of knowledge into this book. It's just under 300 pages. The other one is a labeling book that came out to 588 pages. And both of those books bumped the magazine just a little bit. But I'm going to be absolutely honest with you guys because I always am. In the middle of all of this, our printer went bankrupt and closed its doors. So we had to rush to find a new printer. And I'm so proud of Tom and the team that's taken us under their wing. They said they'll get the job done. The books will be here in time for the conference next week, and the magazine is only 1 week late. So he took what was an absolute disaster and really turned it in, maybe not to a home run for us, but did really, really well. So I guess it's a good lesson in building relationships and sticking with someone through thick and thin. So he's at a new print shop. We are thrilled with the quality samples we've gotten, and I'm sure we'll continue to offer you guys the best of the best for that. So that's all I have. Make sure you share this video. If you're headed to Handmade Conference, I cannot wait to see you next Thursday, less than a week away. You'll be getting daily emails from us. If you are not registered for Handmade Conference, it is sold out. But stay tuned because after this conference, we're going to announce some really cool things. We're going to start live streaming the conferences. So a lot of you that are just starting out will be able to pay a small fee. You won't have to travel. You won't have to stay overnight. And that'll all be for 2019. So that's all I have today. I'm Debbie May. Look for me in 2 weeks. And until then, make it a great day. Bye.